Mga ka-nose! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Drinking Nose. I'm your barista, Michael Ryan Diesto. And for today's Taste Test episode, Master a product ni Rafaine's Iloilo and Drinking Nose 2nd anniversary. Rafaine's Iloilo, best Brazos in town. Pick up your orders from MANGGA NAMIT branches here in Iloilo City. Open for booking and reservation for your foods, desserts, breads, and delicacies. Full list of menus and other details are provided description down below. This episode is not sponsored by. Ito binayaran ko in my own personal expense, and disclaimer na mga nos, is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to brand or tastes reviews. Like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Drinking Nose, at para always kayo notified sa my latest episodes ko, just click the notification bell icon. Kapag may nakita yung skip ads, ilang seconds or ilang minutes, huwag niyo pong skip, malaking tulong na yun sa aking channel. For their Bento Cake, it has this cute size for its Drinking Nose inspired color and design. Very smooth yung texture for its chiffon, and also right balance for its sweetness for its frosting. At the same time, for its distinctive vanilla flavor and essence. Okay, for rating mga nose, based sa akin experience and taste test review, I'll give it a perfect 10. I'm proud to announce and congratulate all of us, na-reach ko na po yung 2,000 followers sa Facebook page for Drinking Nose. Lahat po nag-suporta sa pag-trust sa Drinking Nose since day 1 until now. Sa lahat po ng social media platforms ko, most especially, thank you so much kay God, sa family ko, sa loved ones, sa relatives, sa mga friends, classmates, schoolmates, workmates, most especially sa Rafaine's for this cute and amazing cake. Gusto ko kasi simple lang, tapos significance yung trademark ko na Drinking Nose waves, color, and also for its logo. Original concept to ng brother ko na si Chico. So thank you so much sa pag-come up ng name, also for its logo. For supporting financially, and also for editing. Sa lahat po ng intro, sa thumbnails, sa lahat po ng mga Ilonggo vloggers na kasama ko during the shoot, promotional, and sa mga vlogs nila. Thank you so much for assisting and joining me sa wonderful journey. And also sa mga brands sa future ko. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng owners, managers, staff, chef, riders. Deeply honored na ma-feature and promote yung businesses nyo. And sa lahat po ng accomplishment ko, success, and milestones, nagapanan ko po dahil po sa inyo lahat. Much for making Drinking Nose possible. So once again, congratulations and thank you to Rafaine's amazing and cute cake. This is Michael Brian Jesso, aka Drinking Nose, saying, stay safe, manos. See you in the next brand, taste test review, or do-it-yourself episodes here in the City of Love, Iloilo City. Bye! Happy 2nd anniversary to us, mga nose! Thank you!